Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Zia and I welcome you in my research methodology lecture series. Today is lecture number 12. In this lecture, I would be talking about a very important aspect in research, a very important lesson in research methodology that is called Hypothetico-Deductive Method. What is hypothetico-deductive method? We would be discussing in detail today. So please follow me step by step. There are 7-step processes of hypothetico-deductive method. Number 1, observation. Number 2, preliminary information gathering. Number 3, theory formulation. Number 4, hypothesizing. Number 5, further scientific data collection. Number 6, data analysis. Number 7, deduction. Okay. So, on the basis of this, step 1, let's explain in detail. Observation. Observation is the first stage in which one senses that certain changes are occurring or that some new behaviors or attitudes or even feelings are surfacing in one's environment. I mean, the workplace, the industry, the market. So, through observation, you come up with the first stage. That is the first step of hypothetical deductive method. Okay. So, on the basis of this, we'll move towards the second step of hypothetical deductive method, that is called preliminary information gathering. It involves the seeking of information in depth of what is observed. This could be done by talking informally to several people in the work setting or wherever you want to conduct your research, or to clients or to other relevant sources, thereby gathering information on what is happening and why. That is called, to some extent, conducting unstructured interviews. Then it is followed by standard interviews. All right. So the next one would be, the third step is theory formulation. Theory formulation includes, it's a sort of an attempt to integrate all the information in a logical manner so that the factors responsible for the problem can be conceptualized and further tested. The theoretical framework formulated is often guided by experience and to some extent intuition as well. So, the fourth step of hypothetico-deductive method is hypothesizing. Hypothesizing is the next logical step after theory formulation. From the theorized network of associations among the variables, certain testable hypotheses or educated conjectures can be generated. So that is the fourth step, that is called hypothesizing. Okay, the fifth step of hypothetico-deductive method is further specific data collection. After the development of hypotheses, data with respect to each variable in the hypothesis need to be obtained and collected for testing it. That's important. The sixth step is data analysis. Data gathered or collected are statistically analyzed to see if the hypotheses that were generated have been supported or not. Can be correlational method which can be used to analyze and determine with relationship of two or more factors in the hypothesis. For example, stock market availability, customer satisfaction, etc., etc., whatever your research is, or wherever you are interested in conducting sort of research. So this is the sixth step of hypothetical-deductive method. Then the seventh step is called deduction. The seventh step, which is deduction, which it includes, or it is the process of arriving at conclusions by interpreting the meaning of results of the data analysis. This is important, I repeat. I repeat that it is the process of arriving at conclusion by interpreting the meaning of the results. That's important. So it's a circular process. What I say, starting from observation, going to preliminary information gathering, to some extent it can be called maybe pilot testing to some extent, then theory formulation, then hypothesizing, and further scientific data collection, data analysis, and finally reaching to what I call the deduction. This is hypothetico-deductive method used in scientific research or conducting scientific research. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. See you in my next lecture.